Since it's been years and centuries that you and your ego believed that nature is your own. The mistake is not the thought, but how you continue to rule. Like a property, like something to claim, like something to control. No doubt nature is beautiful. She is home, she is mother, she is where we belong. While I say this, hear me again and pause for a second. She is where we belong. She is the reason we exist. The human ego, the race which most of us are not even a part of, the desire to win, the greed to succeed, the thirst of comfort led all of us to this. Ceaseless changes and modifications, signals at every step, open, but we choose to unsee. Cyclone, earthquake and zoonosis, from Nipah virus to MERS, from Ebola to now coronavirus. 70 days of depression, loneliness and pollution, 70 days with no work, poverty and death. Enough? Or you want me to speak more? Cause I can, and I do not know how much of 2020 you need more. For nature, green is like the color of love. The diversity, flora and fauna are actually enough, but we humans make it tough. The present has no solution. They say we have to live with it. Seems how unaffected humans are, they still plan and talk about yet another industry development, I see. Refers to the Amazon of the East. You talk about foreign rules in developed nations a lot. For them you share posts, media coverage everywhere, celebrity and individual support, anchor, I see, which is good and needed. But what do you exactly do for the things you have, for the things which are your own? Ahead while claiming, but where you are when needed. I don't see any shares and mentions. Rather, you're making this pandemic a very good productivity test and kudos to you for that. You wanted to be productive, right? Let me help you. Just Google once from where this thick, durable, rippled leather coming from. This elephant reserve that I scream about is not just the elephants but 1,000 more. Species and breeds that you've never heard of. Productivity race, I'm helping you. Hula gibbons, slow loris, macaque, sun bear, sunbar, pangolins, and not just that, varieties of eagles and vultures and birds like osprey, basra, black baza, hill myna, and 393 more or so. There's already so much resources, but still you want more. More, okay, but more of what? Technology, capital, things to claim, all this at the cost of what? Nature has shown us. And if this isn't enough, nature will teach us for sure. If we do not wake up right now to imagine the next, even I shiver. I am a little girl and just a free advice. We are humans, not gods. We live and cry, laugh and die. We do have a purpose, we should have a purpose. But what about this race, this trend? Trying to control the universe? But ask yourself, who are you and why? Thank you so much for watching. I hope the message we tried to convey was clear. And being an aware youth of the country like you, I don't see any other way to sustain other than being responsible and being there for the nature, because we belong to her, we exist because of her, totally. So keep supporting, keep yourself sane, love nature and lots of love.